Ladies and gentlemen, peace be upon you. This is Muhammad Sadek, son of Chamswaram. I am 16 years old. I live in Kutuwalang, UPA, Coxbazar, Bangladesh, Camp 7, Block 6. Our school name is Rinja Ladlad Middle School. Our school have 11 teachers. All of the best for me. Our headmaster is Mr. Abu Ahmad. Our school is located near the Nakaville. First of all, I would like to give my thanks who has given me this opportunity. By the name of Allah, I am going to say about the importance of education. Education is the most important thing in our life. It improves our knowledge, skills, and develops our overall personality and attitude. It brings a great chance in our life. It makes our life comfortable and meaningful. It is said that education is the third eye of humanity. Education teaches us to be polite. When you are educated, you know when to speak and when to remain silent. Education is the most powerful weapon that can change the world. Education is the property that cannot be stolen. We can take this property wherever we go. It is a ray of light in the darkness. It certainly is a hope for a good life. Education teaches us to be polite. Education brings happiness in our life. An educated person always respected everywhere. People treat well with him in the society. Think a little bit more. If you get benefits from your property, it's only for some time. But you will get benefits when you will die even after from your education. The power of a king is only in his or her country. But the power of a person of education is for around the world. The world is using the power of educated persons such as Albert Einstein, Thomas Alva Edison, Abraham Lincoln, and so on. See, the world is still going on with the power of your education. Then your property can make you empowerment more than you thought. I hope you will try to learn and teach education from the start today. Thank you so much. No more today. I am concluding my speech. Thank you so much for listening attentively and spending your valuable time. Thank you so much for all my dear teachers and our school community.